Christopher Cook from Alliance Insurance Services, answering your insurance-related questions. This person says, can you get discounts for safety precautions like fire extinguishers or updated smoke alarms?
You can actually, most agents assume you've done those types of things, but certainly, please, we encourage you to update those types of safety items in your home.
And then talk to your agent about it. I would guess that most people probably don't talk to their agent, right? They just get the bill, whatever, and they either complain about it and pay it or complain about it and whatever. It's worth talking to them to see if there's anything else that you might be able to get as a discount.
Yep.
This person says, is there a limit in North Carolina that insurance companies can hike your rates for either home or car?
Yeah, the North Carolina Department of Insurance regulates insurance premiums in our state, and Commissioner Causey and Commissioner Goodwin before him have done a great job. Yes, there is a limit.
And they approve that every single year. And usually, like, the insurance, whatever, has asked for like 29%, and it usually comes down to like 7% or something of that nature, right?
There is a negotiation that occurs.
Yes. Okay. When you file a claim and the approval estimate has depreciation on it, what does that mean?
Most of the time, that's a property insurance conversation, and typically what that means is the homeowner's insurance company will pay you back the depreciation amount once the repairs are completed. They want to make sure that those repairs have been completed before they pay the full amount.
Okay, so kind of give me a quick example of that. Like a hot water heater or something?
Well, let's use roofs. That's
Okay.
easier for me. 30-year roof. Roof's been on 10 years. So it costs $10,000 to do your roof. You've had it for a third of its life cycle. The insurance company may pay $7,000 and say, all right, once you show us you've replaced all the shingles, we will pay the depreciated amount.
The $7,000. You're going to be out $3,000, but you're getting a new roof.
Well, and they would pay the depreciation back. They're just holding that
see.
until you prove that the repairs have been made.
Oh, because they don't want to give you the money and then you not actually put a new roof on your house.
That's right.
Got it. Okay. Does insurance cover septic tanks and water wells?
The tank or the well specifically, not necessarily. Lightning striking your well pump would be covered. Your septic system backing up into your home could be covered if you bought the proper insurance policy. But I don't think the question was about that. I think the answer to this question is no, but there is coverage out there related to those items.
Okay, should we have that? I keep getting it from like different entities. Should I have like backup, sewage backup, or water line?
Water backup of septic and drain. Yes, I would encourage you to have it. It's $25 a year, and if a claim gets messy, no pun intended, then you're going to want to have had the endorsement so that you just don't have questions.
All right, same thing for the water line. Like if something happens to the water line that's not even inside your house, that's like coming to your street, should we have that too?
Yeah, that's a really unfortunate thing, but just the truth of the matter is that water line, to your point, that's running from the town's water meter into your home, until it enters your home, you don't have coverage for it, although you're responsible for it from when it leaves the meter, which is super confusing, and I understand that. I guess I will leave that up to you. I'm not trying to sell every viewer in the area an endorsement, but it's not covered. You just need to have the knowledge that it's not covered.
Okay. Do you have to have insurance on a pull-behind camper, or is it covered by your car insurance?
Your car insurance policy covers your liability for anything you're pulling. If you wreck and the camper is damaged, you do not have any insurance for the damage to the trailer unless you've bought additional coverage for that, which you can do, and it's not super expensive, but you need to insure your trailer.
Okay, this person says, we got 1 minute. There's a roofing company in my subdivision assessing homeowners' roofs right now. Should I take advantage of that? My house is 17 years old.
I'd encourage you to call the North Carolina Department of Insurance and ask them of their opinion of roofers farming neighborhoods.
Yeah. All right, and then one last question. Will your insurance go up if you file a claim for a new roof?
Depends on the circumstance. Insurance companies understand that hailstorms happen randomly, right? They're not going to hold it against you. The homeowner had nothing to do with that. So most of our carriers do not punish you, for lack of a better term, because of a windstorm or a hailstorm or something outside of your control. Um, but some carriers do rate on that. So
Okay.
not
All righty. Thank you so much for your time and expertise. It's all going to be in WFMYnews2.com.